Hi friends, I welcome you all here at TNV Academy. In this session, we are going to talk about an international standard ISO IEC 17021-1. Now coming to the clause 6 of the standard, that is structural requirements. Let me talk about the 6.1 organizational structure and top management. The subclause 6.1.1 specifies that the certification body is required to document its organizational structure, duties, responsibilities, and authorities of the management. As per this clause, certification body must also document the personnel involved in certification and any committees concerned. When the certification body is a defined part of a legal entity, the structure of certification body must include the line of authority and the relationship to other parts within the same legal entity. Now, the subclause 6.1.2 simply says that to safeguard impartiality, certification activities are required to be structured and managed. Let us talk about the subclause 6.1.3 now. The subclause 6.1.3 of the ISO 17021-1 states that the certification body is required to identify the top management, for example, board, group of persons or person, having overall authority and responsibility for the development of policies and establishment of processes and procedures relating to its operations, supervision of the implementation of the policies, processes, and procedures, ensuring impartiality and supervision of its finances, development of management system certification services and schemes, performance of audits and certification, and responsiveness to complaints, decisions on certification and delegation of authority to committees or individuals as required, to undertake defined activities on its behalf, contractual arrangements, and the provision of adequate resources for certification activities. Now, the subclause 6.1.4 of ISO 17021-1 2015 states that the certification body must have formal rules for the appointment, terms of reference, and operation of any committees that are involved in the certification activities. Friends, let us understand the clause 6.2, operational control now. The subclause 6.2.1 specifies that the certification body is required to have a process for the effective control of certification activities delivered by branch, offices, partnerships, agents, franchisees, etc., irrespective of their legal status, relationship, or geographical location. The certification body must consider the risk that these activities pose to the competence, consistency, and impartiality of the certification body. Now, coming to the subclause 6.2.2. According to this subclause 6.2.2, the certification body is required to consider the appropriate level and method of control of activities undertaken. The activities include processes, technical areas of operations, competence of personnel, lines of management control, reporting, and remote access to operations, including records. Friends, till now it was about clause 6 of ISO 17021-1 2015. I sincerely thank you for your interest and attention. Thanks and best wishes.